Hi everybody, and welcome to a short video that I put together for you to give you a tour and a demo of the Templates app here in your OneLaunch desktop search application. So templates are for all sorts of things like resumes and flyers and invoices and e-cards. These are things that all of us use often, daily, weekly, or at least monthly to get things done digitally on our computers. Sometimes we might be printing these templates for different purposes or just downloading the files as Word docs or PDFs and sending them around the internet via email, for example. So with our kind of mission here at OneLaunch for always making you more productive on your PC, we wanted to put together a templates app for you to help make sure you got access to the templates you need quickly and efficiently. So as always, the templates app or all apps can be found. Actually, I've already pinned it here to my OneLaunch doc, but let me just remove it. If you don't have it already, just simply click the gray plus icon for additional apps. That opens up our apps library. Scroll down, it looks like to the third row, 5 in, you're able to click the templates app icon to have the templates app pinned to your OneLaunch doc. And then from that point, just simply click it to open it up. So we've gone ahead and categorized all these template options for you: resumes, brochures, presentations, budget templates, calendars, flyers, letters, invoices, business, e-cards, etc. I think the majority of these actually just link to Microsoft Office templates, which are really phenomenal. They're free to use. It really helps if you do have Microsoft Office for Word and for Excel. And then I think e-cards and calendars might be to other providers on the web. But let's take a look. Let's try e-cards first. Yeah, so with e-cards, you get taken to greetingsisland.com, and here there's a ton of e-card templates that you can print or send online. A lot of them are free. Some of them you might have to pay, but there's still a ton that are absolutely free for you to use. For calendars, okay, calendars is from Office as well. So templates.office.com. Let's just take a peek at a bunch. Resumes, brochures, we've got letters, all sorts of things. And then you're able to search as well. So let's say, what's an example? One page resume. So you're able to search immediately right on templates.office.com, but from our app. So we can just take a look at a couple. But for calendar, you're able to download with Microsoft 365. Resumes, let's look. Customize in Word. But if you don't have Word, I don't have Word on this PC. I'm just going to download it. This is an example resume, and I'm currently in WordPad, so the layouts are a bit off, but you can get the sense that if you were in Word, this would give you the beautiful template for free. Same thing with brochures, all sorts of brochures that you can customize in different Office products like PowerPoint, letter designs, and what's the last one? Oh, and then resumes. I already showed you from search. But that's really what the templates app is all about. It's helping you get to all the templates you need quickly and easily from the OneLaunch app. Search for them or click through to the categories we've created for you. And again, much more smooth if you already have Microsoft Office, which obviously we have nothing to do with Microsoft Office, but highly recommend that as a very powerful software to have present on your PC. So hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully you understand how to use the Templates app. please reach out and email me at support@onelaunch.com if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.